If your computer seems slower than it used to, there might be a good reason for that. No matter which version of Windows you're running, I'll show you 10 common mistakes many people make that can slow down your Windows PC and how to fix them. Coming up next on Tech Gumbo. If all you ever do is shut down your computer and never restart on a regular basis, this can make your computer slower. When you go to the power options, which you can easily access by left-clicking the start menu and selecting power, choosing restart instead of shut down flushes your computer's RAM, giving your computer a fresh start after it reboots with all the memory available, making your PC run faster. A good habit is to perform a restart 2 to 3 times each week. The internet is a great place full of information, but be very careful of what you click on, especially those shady looking ads offering free stuff or have giant download buttons that could lead to sites which can infect your computer with malware, making your PC slower. Having too many programs running at the same time, using up system resources, can slow down your PC, so it's best to close out those programs you're not using. Another issue is that many of the programs you have installed will run in the background at startup even though they're not opened. To disable these programs from running at startup, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here you can see all the programs set to run when you start your computer. For those that are enabled, left-click on those you know you don't need when your PC starts up and select Disable in the lower right. And do this for every program you know you don't need at startup. There are many people that don't use security software because it can make your computer slower. This is a mistake. Having malware infect your system can have an even more negative impact, making your computer slower along with other issues. Microsoft Defender included with Windows should be all that you need. For peace of mind, Malwarebytes Free is another one that I use periodically because it allows for on-demand scans and does not conflict with other security programs. If you're not clearing out the dirt and dust from your desktop case or laptop, this will result in your PC not being properly cooled. Overheating can cause thermal throttling, making your PC slower. Never use anything liquid to clean the inside of your computer. Get yourself some compressed air canisters, which are not too expensive, and go wild. If you're running out of space on your primary drive, you'll experience slowdowns every now and then. Delete and uninstall everything you don't need to free up space. In addition, run the Disk Cleanup tool to clear out your temporary files. To find it, go to the search box and type Disk Cleanup. Select it. Choose your main drive, which for most of you will be the C drive. Then click OK. Check the box next to each category you know you don't need. And when you're finished, click OK. Then select Delete Files. From here on out, just wait for it to finish. While updating Windows has been hit or miss for some people, more often than not, if you're not installing Windows updates, you might be missing out on bug fixes that make the operating system run more smoothly. There are several ways to get there. For this one, we'll go to the Start menu here in the lower left and select Settings. Then click on Update and Security. Here you can check for an update, or if one is already downloaded and installed, you may need to restart your computer. There may be times you think your PC is slow, but it's actually the program itself causing the issue. So when experiencing issues with any program, check to find out if a newer version is available. Sometimes you can find out directly within the program if there's an update, or go to the site you initially got that program from to see if there's a newer version. This next one is for those of you who have hard disk drives. You SSD people don't need to worry about this one. Over time with a hard disk drive, your drive can become fragmented, resulting in slower load times. To fix this, type defragment in the search bar. Select defragment and optimize drives. If you have any hard disk drives listed, check the date they were last analyzed. If it's been a while, select the drive and click optimize for it to do its thing. More conveniently, you can schedule when these optimizations take place by going to Change Settings. Make sure the box next to Run on a Schedule is checked, and you can choose how often it runs. Your choices are daily, weekly, and monthly. If you're experiencing slower load times in your browser, it's not always your internet's fault. While the cache in your browser helps to load web pages quicker, sometimes it gets corrupted. Clearing it out can sometimes help. Doing this will vary depending on the browser that you use. For example, in Chrome, in the upper right, click the 3 vertical dots, go to More Tools, and select Clear Browsing Data. You have 2 tabs, Basic and Advanced. With Advanced, you have more control. Choose a time range. I suggest all time. Make sure that cached images and files is selected. You can also clear other data as well here. When you're ready, click on Clear Data. In a short time, your cache will be cleared. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. If you know of another mistake that people make, causing their PC to become slower, let us know about it in the comments. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest on Windows and other tech-related stuff here on Tech Combo.